Hi everyone, my name is Steve Numa. I'm a full-time real estate investor in Chicagoland area. Today I came here. This is a property I purchased October 28th. This is the first property I purchased in Indiana. Okay, this is a city called Dyer. And then this is my first and also first deal in Indiana, but also 201st deal in my business. Okay, today is the first day that we just started this rehabbing project. I'm gonna show you what we're gonna fix. Okay, then this takes maybe more 40, 50 days, and then I'm gonna show you the process of this project too. Okay, all right. If you look at the front, okay, in general, it's a very good condition. Only one thing that you're gonna recognize is this kind of crack of the front concrete steps. And you can see that some kind of sand is coming out from under these steps, right? Therefore, we're gonna put some concrete from these cracks, and also we're gonna take out this kind of siding. We're gonna fill out in the concrete, and we're gonna make a strong concrete front steps. Okay, this is the first thing to do. Then, as I said, if you look at the shingles and siding and the bricks, it's a nice condition. Therefore, there's nothing to do. Okay. Okay, let's go inside. Okay, this is a two levels. This is the higher level and the lower level. This higher level, we have a living, dining, and a 3-bedroom, 1 bath. Okay, I'm standing in the middle of this living space. Okay, if you look at the ceiling, there's nothing, right? Therefore, we're gonna install 8 recessed light, can lights. Then, also, if you look at the wall floors, this is a vinyl tile. Okay, therefore it looks wood, but it's not wood. It's not strong at all. Therefore, we're gonna take out entire floor, and then we're gonna install. It's called vinyl planks. It's a completely different. These days, of course, sometimes we're gonna install real hardwood floors, but many people start using vinyl planks. It's very strong. It also looks like hardwood floors. Then that's stronger than regular tile. Therefore, I'm gonna use vinyl planks entire floor, not just living space, but also kitchen, bath. Okay, I'm gonna use vinyl planks everywhere in this house. Also here, this is a dining. Then we're gonna put, this is a small light, but we're gonna install nice chandelier. Then here, this is the kitchen. Then our plan is this. Okay, we just took some small walls here. Therefore, first, if you look at this kitchen cabinet, okay, this is the 30-inch cabinet. Therefore, we're gonna take out all kitchen cabinet, also soffit. Okay, we're gonna take out everything. Then we're gonna install 42-inch white cabinet. And also, this is a countertop. Then we're gonna install quartz, nice quality of countertop. Then layout is this. We're gonna use this space for a refrigerator. We're gonna use 32-inch, a little bit smaller size, but 32-inch double door refrigerator. Then also, this is a position for stove. We're gonna install microwave. And we're gonna install a dishwasher at the corner of this cabinet. Okay. And then right now there's nothing on this side, but we're gonna install a little bit not wide like this side, but we're gonna install a little bit narrower size of cabinet on the top and the bottom. Then here, this is called a peninsula. Okay, right now we just demolished, but we're gonna install peninsula at this heights. Then this side we have a cabinet, but this side just wall. And then people can sit. Maybe we can put 2 chairs, and then we can eat something on this table too. It's called peninsula. Then on the lighting, as for the lighting, we're gonna install 2 can lights above peninsula. Then we're gonna install nice mount ceiling lights on the center. Also, we're gonna there's a light here, but this is very ugly. We're gonna take out everything. Then we're gonna install one ceiling, one recessed light, can light on the just above this sink. Okay. And then let's go outside from here. Okay. We have a nice size of yards, right? Nice size of yards. Then, okay, this porch, okay, back deck, this is okay with just some moss. Therefore, we're gonna use power wash and clean up completely. Same with this siding too. Okay, this side of siding, a little bit ugly. Therefore, we're gonna use power wash to completely clean up. Okay, and this is strong. Okay, nothing wrong with this. Just the clean up. Okay, let's move in. Let's go in. Then, okay, here. So this is a bathroom. Okay. If you look at the bathroom, okay, still this is a very cheap vinyl tile. Therefore, we're going to take out everything. Use same vinyl planks. Then, if you look at this sink, it's a little bit big. Therefore, we're going to use 36-inch sink, and also the mirror. We're going to change the nice. It's called like a iPod, iPhone type, the lights, and also we're going to take out this light. We're going to put the nice lights on the top. And then, if you look at this bathtub, okay. This bathtub is iron. They're very strong. These days we don't see this kind of iron bathtub so much. Therefore, we're gonna keep this. But this tile is so old that we're gonna take out everything. Also, this shape of the wall is so old. Therefore, we're gonna cut this one to the ceiling. Then we're gonna put the nice rectangle tile all the way to the top. Then in the middle of this tile, we can put this kind of design tiles to the top. Okay. Then of course we're gonna change this faucet too. We're gonna install new toilet. Then this is the door to the bedroom. Therefore, we have a 3-bedroom here. Okay. We do the almost same thing in each bedroom. Okay. Look at this floor. This is the same vinyl tile. Therefore, we're gonna take out and use vinyl planks. Then baseboards we're gonna take out and we're gonna use nice white baseboards. The windows are nice, we don't need to change it. But we're going to install new doors, then new door for the closet. Right now, this is sliding doors. But right now, we are thinking to use by-4 door like this. Okay? Then by-4 door, or we can use like a French door type thing. We can open like this. By-4 is like we can open like this, but this gonna be can be folded. Either way, we didn't decide it yet. And then we're gonna put one regular light in the closet. Okay, let's move on. And this is the second bedroom. It's almost same. Okay, therefore we're gonna take out this entire floor, and then we're gonna install vinyl planks. Then we're gonna change this baseboard. Look at this. This is the closet. We're gonna take out this sliding door. We're gonna install by-4 or French doors. Then windows looks pretty good. We don't need to do it. Therefore, also the lights, we're going to take out this ceiling fan lights. Then we're going to install nice, we call mount ceiling lights. And then we're going to install new doors. Okay. This is a 3rd bedroom. This is the same. This is a little bit smaller size. Take out this wall, install new baseboards, change the lights, they change the closet doors. Then install the new entrance doors. Okay. Okay, let's go to the lower level. Hey. Okay, one more. All right, this is a family space in the lower level. Then we're gonna put some small, very thin drywall on the ceiling. Then we're gonna install 6 can lights. We're gonna take out this light. We're going to install 6 can lights. Then if you look at this, maybe previous owner tried to do something, but there's no insulation. And then we're going to take out everything. Then we're going to install. We're going to check the walls. Then we're going to install insulation, and then install drywall again. And then here we're going to install 4 can lights here. Then on the floor, same with the upper level, we're going to install vinyl planks. Entire lower level. Then there's some, it's called wood panel. We're going to take out all wood panel to install drywalls. Then this is a laundry area. Then also you can see the panel, wood panel. We can take out all wood panels. And we're going to install drywalls. The floor is also this very old vinyl tile. Therefore, we're going to take out and we're going to install new vinyl planks. Then we're going to install new utility sink too. Okay, this is like a gift from previous owner. This is a new laundry machine. We're going to use this. Okay. Then we're going to install new light on the top, on the ceiling. Okay, here. Okay, hi. Thank you. Okay, this is one. This is also full bath. This is a shower, but also this is a full bath. Then we're going to take out all walls. Okay, he already took out all ugly tiles. We're going to take out all walls like this. Then this one also, this is a shower. Okay, we're going to take out all plastic walls, and then we're going to install the new tiles on the walls. Okay, then we're going to, the floor is okay. This is nice concrete. Therefore, we're going to clean up and we're going to use this. But all walls, we're going to take out all ugly tiles and we're going to install new tiles. Okay, floor is the same with other areas. We're going to install the vinyl planks. Okay, then we're going to install. This is smaller, maybe 18 or 24 inch sinks, and also mirror and the lights. Okay. Okay, let's go to that garage. This is a storage, nice space. Okay. Okay, this is the garage. Okay, of course, in the garage, you don't need to do so much. We just clean up. Then maybe we need another light on this side. We have one light here. Maybe we can add one light on this side. Then on the walls, some ugly wood panels. Maybe we're gonna take out all ugly wood panels, install drywalls. That's it. Okay, we have to check the bottom of the walls. Maybe it seems like there's some water seepage under the walls. Therefore, we're gonna fix it. Then install drywalls. That's it. We don't need to do so much. Okay, and then door is okay, gene is okay. Therefore, that's it. And basically, this takes maybe another 40, 50 days. Of course, as I mentioned, but we're gonna paint entire walls, entire ceilings. Then, takes maybe 40, 50 days to finish. And then our budget for this project is around $40,000. And this area is very nice, and then 95% of the property are owner occupied. There is not so much rentals. Therefore, my exit strategy is not just regular rent. I do lease option. Okay? I'm looking for people who want to buy, but they are not qualified for the loan yet. Those people are target for my property. Okay? That's it. I'm gonna show you maybe several weeks later. I'm gonna show you the process of this project too. Thank you very much.